George Anastasios Magalios, born in 1967, is a contemporary artist and philosopher, and the founder of George Magalios Studios. Magalios is a multidisciplinary visual artist who makes works in fields such as painting, photography, sculpture, and performance art. Magalios is an unusual artist because of his use of unique names and identities for each body of work: George Magalios, the full-line painting series; George Ducharme, sculpture and installation art; Will Swinburne, performance art; Giorgio Fati, photography; and Jorge Griego, energy plan for the Florida Man painting series. Magalios bases all of his work and thought on the ground palette, a concept and form he has developed from his research into prehistoric cave painting. The ground palette is both a philosophical foundation and an aesthetic way of thinking that attempts to distill language and ideas down to their essences. In articles in various websites, Magalios lists his influences as Led Zeppelin, Willie Mays, Tim Tebow, and his parents, Virginia and Elias Magalios. He has exhibited in exhibitions in New York, Pittsburgh, San Francisco, and other cities across North America, as well as in Athens and across Europe, and continues his practice today in West Palm Beach, Florida. George Anastasios Magalios writes art theoretical works and art reviews of contemporary and modern art issues. He is a student of the philosophy of Martin Heidegger, Friedrich Nietzsche, and Jean Baudrillard, and he incorporates much of the ideas of these thinkers in both his art and his writings. He has presented papers in the College Art Association Conference in New York, 2007, and at the Subtle Technologies Conference in Toronto, 2002. In addition to Montreal, Magalios has lived in Paris, San Francisco, New York, and Pittsburgh. Though he has lived in the United States for most of his life, the artist considers himself a Montrealer, albeit an exiled one. Sometimes referring to himself as a site-specific philosopher, Magalios is known for his attempt to fuse an aesthetic practice with a personal one based on virtue, truth, and beauty.